Welcome to this demonstration of Citizen Service Request capabilities from Microsoft, featuring Microsoft Azure, Office 365, SharePoint, Power BI, and Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online. Today's citizens demand a higher level of customer service, including the ability to access government resources with the tools they use every day. Citizen Service Request capabilities from Microsoft, built on Dynamics CRM Online, increase the quality of citizen interactions, empower government employees to provide a positive experience, and help governments do more with less by providing greater insights into data. In this demonstration, you'll see an example of Citizen Service Request capabilities in action. The demo features a local citizen who requests service, a public works director who monitors public issues, a city worker who receives the citizen service request, a street repair engineer who works on it, and a city attorney who follows up. Brennan has just hit a serious pothole in his car and has decided to immediately report it using the local citizen portal on his mobile phone. Because he's a registered user, when Brennan signs into the portal, his personal information is pre-populated. He only needs to enter location information, the size of the pothole, and whether he incurred damage. Because his car was damaged by the pothole, he indicates this and submits the form. Nancy is a public works director who uses Dynamics CRM Online to gather insights and identify key issues that local citizens care about. Nancy likes to start her day monitoring the social sentiment on key issues her constituents care about. Because Dynamics CRM Online integrates with Microsoft Social Listening, she has instant access to the latest social media monitoring data. Here, Nancy can see recent social network posts about potholes. She can also gauge the sentiment behind the comments, as well as what location they're coming from. If she wants more detailed analysis, Nancy can drill down further into the data by opening Microsoft Social Listening. She wants to see the very latest posts about potholes, so she filters the view to show only today's posts. By clicking into the data, she once again opens a detailed view in Microsoft Social Listening. Microsoft Social Listening evaluates keywords in social posts to determine if they're positive, negative, or neutral. Nancy can use this information to respond to citizen concerns and take action. She sees a negative post and expands it to find a link to a news article reporting a bridge closure. Nancy emails the post to one of her frontline employees to make him aware of the issue. Local citizen Brannon has heard about the bridge closure and goes to the online support center to find out about its repair status. Built on Parature from Microsoft, the City Support Center gives citizens like Brannon a place to connect with city workers to resolve concerns and stay informed. Brannon initiates a live chat to speak directly to a city employee. He enters some preliminary information to help guide the direction of the conversation. When the city representative joins the chat, Brandon types in his question about the status of the bridge closure. Phil is a call center employee who uses the citizen service request capabilities provided to him to keep track of service requests and communicate with the local citizens submitting them. Phil uses the chat platform to quickly clarify Brennan's question and then provides him with an answer. Brannon also inquires about the pothole incident he previously reported on his mobile phone. Phil asks for the service request number so he can find the record. Right from within Dynamics CRM Online, Phil can quickly look up the information Brannon is requesting. Phil sees that the request is nearing completion and that the person handling the request is David Alexander. David is online, so Phil starts a quick link conversation to ask about the status of Brennan's request. David tells Phil that the repair will be completed by the end of the day. Phil returns to the chat conversation with Brannon. He informs Brannon that the pothole will be repaired later that day and ends the conversation. David Alexander is a street repair engineer for the city. From the field, he uses citizen service request capabilities to quickly respond to service requests. David opens Dynamics CRM online on his Microsoft Surface Pro 3 tablet to get started. From this dashboard, he can view active service requests by service status, department, and severity level. David opens up the record for the service request submitted by Brannon. In the past, David had to record the details of his repairs on paper. But with the new citizen service request capabilities on his tablet, David can enter data while he's out in the field and have it sync directly with Dynamics CRM online. He can also add notes and images to the record. This helps ensure that his department has all the information it might need in the future for archiving and reference. He attaches a photo of the pothole and saves the note. When David marks the request closed, Dynamics CRM Online automatically sends a notice to Brannon letting him know the repair has been completed. Jeff is an attorney working for the city. He uses the citizen service request capabilities to manage his caseload efficiently. Jeff reviews his active cases on the go using Dynamics CRM Online on his mobile phone. He opens the app. He checks to see if he has any new cases. He opens the case at the top of the list. This is Brannon's case. Jeff sees it has high priority and decides to follow up on it when he's back in the office. Back at the office, Jeff uses the case dashboard in Outlook to view his case management workload. He selects Brannon's record from the list so he can view more details in Dynamics CRM Online. The record provides the details Jeff needs to help him understand the case. He can easily access information about the associated service request. He can also find information about the citizen and his history of previous interactions with the city. Now that he's reviewed the details of the case, Jeff is ready to talk to Brannon. He advances the case to the research stage of the business process and navigates to a personal injury interview sheet on SharePoint. Using integrated link technology, Jeff initiates a call with the citizen right from the CRM record so that he can gather more information. Nancy, the Public Works Director, uses Microsoft Power BI to review her department's activities and gain greater insights into its performance. With Power BI, Nancy can get visually compelling, interactive reports that remain linked to the data source so they're always up to date. She can see the number of service requests correlated to population by city ward, and even filter the view by the different types of requests her department has received. This gives her a better understanding of where she needs to focus her resources throughout the city. She can also gain an understanding of which departments are handling the greatest volume of requests, the types of requests, and which months are most affected. This again provides insights into the allocation of her resources. Power BI lets Nancy search for answers in her data by simply typing in a question. As she refines her query, results are instantly updated and presented in the most visually compelling format for the information being conveyed. This guide is now complete. As you just saw, citizen service request capabilities from Microsoft, built on Dynamics CRM Online, increase the quality of citizen interactions, empower government employees to provide a positive experience, and help governments do more with less by providing greater insights into data. This is just one example of customer relationship management solutions from Microsoft. For more information about this and other solutions, contact your Microsoft representative or visit our website today.